Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Today we're going to take a quick look at this amazing looking underwater flashlight. Now I think this flashlight can be used in a variety of different uh, applications, but it is designed to be utilized for underwater scuba diving. So we're going to unbox this and take a look at everything that comes with it and talk about some of the amazing features here really quickly. So first thing we're greeted with is this really nice case. This is a rugged plastic case for travel, and it has the two little clips here on the front. We're just going to pop these up in order to reveal what's inside. Okay, so first thing we're greeted with inside, guys, is going to be the manual. All right, so this is the manual that comes with the flashlight. And if we go and take a quick look here at the actual manual, it gives us a little bit of information about the different light arrays that are built into this, the control mechanism that is used to change the light frequencies, and some of the basic information about the light as far as, its power output, its distance, its intensity, its waterproof rating. This one does have an IP65 rating of 492 feet or 150 meters underwater. So just depending on how far you're going to be scuba diving with it, this could be very helpful. And also information on how to charge it. All right, let's take a look at the actual light. Okay, so in the case, some of the things we're greeted with, it does come with this nice little lanyard if you're interested in, securing this to your wrist. If you're scuba diving, that's probably going to be very helpful. It always also comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is what we're going to use to charge the light. It also comes with some replacement rings, and these rings are going to go on the rear of the light where the port is for charging it. I'll show you guys how these are utilized here in a second. It also comes with these 304 stainless little ring hooks. So if you wanted to be able to clip something onto your belt, this could be your scuba belt, this could be your hunting belt, it could be whatever type of belt you want to use. It comes with two of those. And then here is the actual light itself. So let's take a look at this. Now I'm going to tell you guys this light has significant weight. This thing is metal, has a really nice grip here on both sides. And at the bottom is what I was talking about, this little port right here. You have to unscrew this in order to charge this. And it does have those rings on it as well. And that's what's going to keep water from getting into the light, because this is obviously designed for scuba diving. So as you guys can see here, we have those rings. And here is your port for plugging in your USB-C cable to charge it. You also have these little holes here. This is going to be for your lanyard. So if you want to connect a lanyard to this, you're able to do that as well. All right, so let me tighten this back up and it just locks in place. All right, so if we look at the controls here, we have an off switch, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a strobe. And then here at the top, we have a different type of switch, which is like your different modes that you can go through between your UV, your red light, your SF, your F, and your S. So if we want to turn this on, we just switch it on like so. You guys see that is on high. This is our low beam. This is our strobing effect. So let's go back to our low so you guys will be able to see it here on the camera. And then I can switch through these different modes here. So this is going to take it into our second mode. Here is our SF. Here is our UV, which is basically a red light. And then we have, our red light, yes. And then our UV is going to be more of a blue light, as you guys can see that. So we could turn that to high, and that's going to give you this really nice blue light when you're underwater. And especially if you're filming, that really comes in handy. So you have all of these built-in modes for the light right here. If you look at the front of the lights array, you can see the different output bulbs that are here, the LEDs, and how this is set up. I like the design of this. You even have a 1/4 underneath here, so you could mount this on a magic arm or a tripod. If you're setting up an underwater filming rig, you could mount this right onto your rig, which is really nice. Like I said, guys, all metal. It feels great in the hand. And now, like I said, I would probably use this in a variety of different ways. Yes, if I was going to go scuba diving, this would probably be one of my first, lights I would reach for. If this is, one of the lights I had in my kit. But I could also see people using this for hunting. I could see them using this for camping. I could see a variety of different reasons you would have this light and, features that lend toward all of those different activities. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I wanted to unbox this light and show you guys some of the features of it. And my first impressions, I do like this light. All right, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. And until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.